We've got some more questions. Lucy says, when will we move on from women and girls wearing such ridiculous kit? Now there's some interesting stuff in your book about the inappropriateness of equipment and so on for female athletes, isn't it? Lucy says her girls refuse to take part in sports because of the outfits, which makes them feel so uncomfortable physically and psychologically.
Yeah, I mean, we've got really shocking data about the amount of girls that drop out of sport because of something to do with the kit. And there's a brilliant movement by the hockey player Tess Howard, and she's developed the Inclusive Kit Charter. And it really is aimed to give everyone in sport choice, because that's what people need. If your body is changing during puberty, and we have to accept that during puberty, boys basically get taller and stronger, more powerful and faster. And bluntly put, girls get fatter. Now, they get fatter because they have to lay down a higher percentage of fat to be a really healthy female adult. But as a young girl, when you're developing hips and a bottom and breast tissue, that can suddenly feel like a huge change for someone who's been athletic and worn their kit and been a certain shape. So we have to take a good look at kit and make sure it's inclusive for everyone. If you keep an eye out in Paris, because Tess Howard is a hockey player, she's actually introduced this inclusive kit and choice into the GB hockey squad. And they will be the first squad where some players have chosen to play in shorts, some in skirts, and that's just a choice, comfort. And it will be the first time that a team will run out and they won't be absolutely uniform. And no one's going to die because of it. So it's going to be incredible because we're going to realise that we've been so tied to tradition in sports, and particularly sports kit. We don't need to be.
You can't help feeling that there's a lot of male dominance involved in this, isn't it? I mean, I don't know what the rules are now at Wimbledon, but women have to wear short skirts and frilly knickers. I mean, for heaven's sake, that is, if they want to wear shorts, they should be allowed to wear shorts. It probably makes a lot of sense.
Absolutely.